Alam niyo ba that there is a passport safety hack that nobody talks about but it is very, very important? I'm Shani Tiu. I travel a lot because it's part of the job and I also run a travel agency business. So for my family, what I do is for all our passports, nilalagyan ko ng waterproof sticker sa likod ng passport. I put here the nickname of my child, then passport number, birthday, date of issuance, and of course, the expiration date. These are the pertinent and important information that we always need. So bakit ko siya ginagawa? Number one, it is easy for me to distribute our passports whenever we are at the airport. If kailangan nilang hawakan yung passport nila at the boarding gate, at the immigration, so binibigay ko na sa mga anak ko. So it's easy for me to identify the passport and distribute it to them. Number two, easily accessible din yung important information ng passport nila. So I don't have to open the passport just to get the information. Number three, it is also very easy for me and for all of us to fill out arrival cards. Just like this one, in China, they are still using the paper arrival card. So when we get to China, mas easy na for them to fill it out themselves para makatulong naman sila sa akin. Number four, it is convenient for me to fill out application forms, especially for visa, kasi I don't have to open their passport one by one just to get that important information. At sa hack na ito, may iwasan po natin ang pag-damage ng ating passport, especially the bio page, because it is very important that our bio page, the one na merong picture natin, yung may barcode, yung lahat ng information nandun, importante na hindi po yan mapupunit, matutupi, or mababasa, or matapunan ng ink or kahit na ano. So that's very important. So try nyo to, yung hack na ito, for you to get a smoother and hassle-free travel experience. So yun lang, share ko lang. Bye!